Sinura Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with my 23rd video from the Isha Web Project Development series. So in this video, we are going to talk about the programming part of the single product view page. Now, I will show you what will happen when you press the Buy Now button in the home.php, that means the home page. So we talked about the design of the single product view page, but I have made way more functions over here. So over here, y'all can see the title, that means the name of our product is also there in the title of this page. I'll show you in something else. So you saw in my before one Apple. So if I go to this Vivo, y'all can see Vivo/eShop. So I'll show you another one. Then if I go to the Huawei, y'all can see Huawei/eShop. Okay, so in my Apple, I have 3 images, so I'm gonna use it as my sample to show y'all. So in this part, we are gonna talk about the title that we are gonna change, and we are gonna change the in-stock items, and we are gonna change how much quantity is available, and over here in the product details that I'm gonna add my actual brand and my model and the description. So this is what we are gonna do over here. So let's check what I have done in my backend code. Okay, in my backend code for the beginning over here, I have made a query. Before the query starts, I have given a require.connection.php, and if is set $get ID and if $PID is equal to the $get ID. And I have given these queries. So after that queries, I have given the $product num and the product rs num rows, and the if $product num is equals to 1, the product data should be the $rs fetch as well. So if these don't work, it should come to this else. So it tells and echo, sorry for the inconvenience. So this means, so they had a internet problem. So it will take lots of time to load. So if it don't happen, they will tell echo as sorry for the inconvenience. Then after that, when we go down for the design, so we talked about the design, so I'm not going to talk about it also now. But in my head, for the title, I have given the PHP echo the product data title. So this is how the title of the product data is going to be happening. So as I showed you over here, y'all can see that the Apple eShop. Then when I go down, y'all can see we talked about this design. So now for the UL, and for this I have given an PHP script, and for that I have given the image rs as select all from images where the product ID is equals to PID and the num rows of the image rs and the image array. So this array means, what it means is it like creates to take multiple choices of images. Then after that I have given if the image num is not equal 0, the for loop should work. So for the for loop, I have given the list items, and these we talked about the classes. But for the image SLC, I have given the PHP echo the $image, and in a square bracket I have given the $x. Then after that, I have given an ID as product image as the load main image. So we talked about it. We talked about the load main image also. Then if it goes to the else, the empty.svg should be there. Then we talked about the main image, and likewise we talked about this breadcrumb also. But for the spam that you also in my previous video as Apple iPhone 12, now I have given a $PHP script, and an echo dollar product data title. Then after that, the ratings. And after that, I told you that we are going to talk about this part in this video. So let's talk about it now. So what happens over here is, it's like a trick to get customers. Like, you can tell this was the price of this was this. Like, you will the actual price is about 1 rupee, and but you are telling the customer as this is 2 rupees, and you have saved 1 rupee, and the percentage you have saved is 50%. Likewise, it's like that. And after that, what happens over here is dollar price and dollar price data, and it's the actual price. So that is the actual price. Then after that, I have given dollar adding price, and for the adding price, I have told in a bracket dollar price should be divided by 100 and multiplied by 5. Then that means the percentage. No, that means the adding price that you are gonna give. So you are gonna give 50%. That means like you are gonna make the actual price divide by 100. Actual price you are thinking that it is 100, but you are gonna multiply 5. Then after that, I'm gonna give the new price as the dollar price and plus and the dollar adding price. Then for the difference, I should take the minus amount of the new price and the dollar price. Then for the percentage, the dollar difference and the dollar price multiplied by 100. So over here is simple maths. So after that, when we go down for the main, I have given the dollar echo dollar price. Then for the other one, I have given the new price. Then for the other one, I have given the difference. And inside the brackets, I have given the percentage. Then for the warranty 6 months and the return policy 1 year, I have given how much is in stock. So this means how much quantities that I have available right in this moment. Then I have given the product data quantity. Then when we go down the seller and sold items, then we talked about this part also. And we talked about the quantity increase. So I will tell you what's going to happen over here also now. Now what happens over here is I have given an on click to the quantity increase and the decrease. So I have given the same PHP script in the over here and down as the PHP echo dollar product data quantity. So what happens over here is you can increase the quantity. So first we should check the value. So to make the check value, I have given the var input document.getElementById quantity input. Then after that, I have given an if else, and for that if else, I have given the input.value is smaller than or equals to 0. Then they should tell alert quantity. Alert should come as quantity must be 1 or more. Then I have told an input.value is 1. So that means if it goes to the 0, echo should come as quantity. It should be 1 or more, and the input type should be 1. Then if it don't happen, if it goes more than high, I should tell the alert as the maximum quantity has achieved input.value, the quantity that we have right now. So I will show you what happens like that. Now, first y'all can see that there are in stock 12 items. So I will just type I will type 12, and after that 12, I'm gonna make it more higher. Now y'all can see that they are telling maximum quantity has achieved. Then when I give okay, the quantity will be 12 already. So I will show you what happens when you make it for the quantity without giving quantity. I will make it 1. Then what happens is I will give 12 also over here. Then when I give higher amount, it will give okay, and it will be the same quantity as it is. So I'll show you. And it turned into 1. Okay. So after that, I have given the function quantity increase and the decrease. So we talked about the increase and the decrease. And after that, when we go down, y'all can see the buy now. So I told you that we are going to talk about this later, and related items. And for the brand, I have told the PHP echo the dollar product data title for the brand. And for the model, I'm going to give the dollar PHP script echo the dollar product data and mname. So what is this mname? So if I tell you about this mname briefly, so it's not something to tell briefly, it is something to tell deeply. But what happens over here is, y'all, when it talks, if you look this query very closely, y'all can see that I have given the model, that means the model name .name as the mname. So this means that from the model has brand, the model name is taken as the mname. So that's why I took it as the mname without giving model. Then after that, I have given for the product description the echo the dollar product description. So we talked about the text area read only also. So when we go down the feedback, so for the feedbacks, we'll talk about this in another video. So after that, for the last, I have given the footer. So if this all go wrong, we are gonna tell something went wrong. Please something went wrong, and I will tell please please try again. Then after that, that is all. Then I'm gonna close my PHP script, and that is all for my single productive validation part. I hope you all understood it. So have a nice day and bye.